present here. States and Fortunes is brought to you by B. Navyadipti of Grade VIII Sapphire. Telangana expected to have below normal rainfalls until July 22. Sport news. India's cricket team is prepared for its next international series. Thank you.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. You
present here. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Navanit of Grade VIII Sapphire. Minimum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 10 km per hour, air quality good. That's all for today's news bulletin. Thank you and have a wonderful Wednesday ahead. Today's thought is brought to you by P. Harshita from Grade VIII Sapphire. Every mathematical problem has a solution. Keep trying, keep learning and never give up. I will repeat it once again. Every mathematical problem has a solution. Keep trying, keep learning and never give up. Thank you. Have a marvelous Wednesday. Present here. I am Ashwit of Grade 8 here to say international and national news. The Union States and Iran confused new military strikers. National news. A USA citizen concealed India and Nepal near Nepal border without any valid reason. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by Amni Harika from Grade 8 Sapphire. His word is Grade 8 Sapphire. Coefficient. It means the number multiplied by a variable. Example. In 8y, 8 is the coefficient. Friends, please spell after me. Coefficient. C-O. E-F. I-C. I-E-N-T. Coefficient. Thank you. Have a wonderful present here. Today GK questions are brought to you by Apurva from Grade 8 Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. Who is known as father of geometry? Euclid. Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is Euclid. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Who discovered imaginary numbers? I repeat my question. Who discovered imaginary numbers? Sorry, you didn't pick any answer and the answer is Cardano. Question for Grade 9. Who is known as father of modern mathematics? Who is known as father of modern mathematics? I repeat my question. Who is known as father of modern mathematics? Sorry. How shame it is. You didn't pick any answer and the answer is Descartes. Question for Grade 10. Who is the prince of mathematician? Gus. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Gus. Let us all appreciate this. Question number 1. Who wrote Aryabhatiya? Aryabhatta. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Aryabhatta. Let us all appreciate this. Okay. 2. What is the value of 2 power 10? 1024. Yes. And my dear friends, I am Kavita of Grade 8 Sapphire. Today, I would like to speak about the great mathematician Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician who lived over 2500 years ago. He is best known for the Pythagoras theorem, which states in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of all other two sides. His ideas laid the foundation for many areas of mathematics and are still taught in schools around the world. Pythagoras believed that mathematics helps us understand the patterns and orders of the universe. His life reminds us curiosity, learning and logical thinking can lead to a great discoveries. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Practice the more clearly we think. A cheerful morning to everyone who are present here. I am Ashwita and here my friend Navyadipti here to do conversation. Do you know mathematics is called the language of science?
Yes, because mathematics help us to solve problems and understand the world around us.
Where do we use mathematics in our daily life?
Everywhere, we used to tell time, count money, measure distance, cook, shop, and even play games.
Who is your favorite mathematician?
Pythagoras. His famous theorem is used in mathematics, engineering, and architecture.
What is secret to becoming good at mathematics?
Practice every day, think logically, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Thank you.